Okay, you knew this was coming. You knew that if you could graph linear inequalities, then you would be soon graphing nonlinear inequalities. And nonlinear inequalities just means that when you graph something, let's make a little graph here, you remember that when you have a linear, i.e. a line inequality, you're actually splitting the universe in half. So you have the lower half plane and the upper half plane. Well, a nonlinear inequality just means that you have to have a nonlinear function, and we'll make one here in blue. And here is the famous y equals x squared kind of thing. It's a parabola, touches down at 0, 0. So, if this was y equals x squared, which is a parabolic function, it too actually splits the universe in half. There is an upper and a lower. You know that the domain is all the real numbers, because this is going to go on forever in both directions, and the range is from 0 up, right, or all positives. So this was y equals x squared. If instead of y equals x squared we said y greater than x squared, greater than y greater than x squared means, actually I'm going to say greater than or equal to, so it includes the line, means all this stuff. All the stuff above, or the upper half plane. That's all it means. If we said, let's do this in orange, y less than or equal to x squared, then we'd be talking about all this stuff down here. The lower half plane. We're ignoring this green line right now. So, a nonlinear inequality just means that instead of having this straight line, we got a bendy line, and it's defined by a different kind of formula, but we can still refer to the solution set as being in the upper or the lower half plane, depending on whether we've got a greater than or a less than sign in the equation that defines the line.